Now I will show you how to create a point between two other points which will be called reference points. Imagine you want to create a point exactly at the middle between the 2 points which are already on the middle line of our front piece. Use for this the function create point single on line. Click the first reference point. Then move your cursor to the second reference point, but before you click, use the tabulator. You see, if you do that, the cross which is indicated in color red and which is a preview where the point will be created, this cross is moving with the cursor. If you put your cursor exactly at the position of the second reference point and click, the system indicates a value which corresponds to the middle between the 2 reference points. You can click on OK, and so you have created a point between 2 points. Imagine you want now to create a point between the neck hole and the first point which is on the same side of this line. Move your cursor to the neck hole. Ensure that the correct line is highlighted for this and use F4 if necessary. Then you can click the first reference point. Press the tabulator and move the cursor to the other point. Use the magnetisms and click on the second reference point. Accept the distance and the point is created between the 2 points.